Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Google Play Store problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So if you are having any issue related to the Play Store, like you are not signing in or logging in or the apps are not downloading, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the Play Store problem in your device. Let's watch the video.